We'll now move on to the Global Education Programme, the Russian Global Education Programme. So this is an opportunity for funded places for students to study abroad. So again, international exposure, build their knowledge and their skills. So it's obviously really exciting to find funded places for students. Lancaster's in the top 10, as I've said, in the UK, so we get funded students from lots of different government bodies and companies as well. So we receive funded students from Kazakhstan through the Bolshak programme, from Malaysia from Petronas, and also from ministries in Azerbaijan, in Malaysia, and in lots of Latin American countries too. Looking at the list of programme areas that's sponsored by this programme, Lancaster's on the list for industrial ecology, biotechnology, and environmental engineering. So in this area, you can see there's quite a lot of different courses, master's courses that we offer at Lancaster that we think will be covered by the programme. In terms of the environmental science department, we're one of the world's largest centres for environmental research. All of our environmental science students can carry out field work either in the northwest, or if they're interested, they can have options to go to other countries within Europe, to the Himalayas, to America or Iceland. And although we're recognised for our world-class research, the department's ambition is to use that research to provide solutions for today's big problems and issues, such as living with environmental change, species loss, pollution, water management, and providing enough food for the world, so food security, technology and leadership, which is a really innovative multidisciplinary programme. So it offers advanced knowledge in biotechnology for the next generation of medicines. We have around 20 students on that programme and about 50 postgraduate students in the division. The other area that's covered is education. So these are the three programmes we think would be covered within that area. So teaching English as a foreign language and teaching English to speakers of other languages. So this department is actually ranked 9th in the world for linguistics with the international QS rankings. So it's a great place to come and study linguistic subjects. We have around 300 postgraduates in this department. In terms of Russian student community, we have about 50 to 60 Russian students on campus each year. So out of a student population of almost 13,000, it's quite a small number, but there's a Russian student society, so they organise lots of different events on campus. But one of the reasons to study abroad is to meet students from all around the world, and that will certainly be the case at Lancaster. And we have students from over 100 different countries. Popular subject areas at the moment for Russian students are management, business, politics and law. So although we have great programmes in science and technology and education, so it's great to have these recognised by the ministry by us appearing on the list. In terms of entry requirements, for students that are looking to come for undergraduate, if they're at high school they would need a foundation programme, and we offer one of those on campus. So students can come and do their foundation programme on the campus before they start their undergraduate degree. For master's students, we usually look for an undergraduate score of 4 out of 5, or if the marking scheme is out of 10, then we look for a 7, a good score. So depending on the mark scheme. Some programmes are a little bit more competitive and some can be a bit more flexible, but those will give you a rough idea of the entry requirements.